7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy.
Good morning, T-Birds. It's Shiannel.
And I'm Skylar. Today is April 1st, 2019. Happy April Fool's Day.
Friday was our second annual Multicultural Assembly, celebrating many of the different cultures found within our hallways. Great job to all the clubs that participated and to the ASB for putting the week together.
Speaking of culture, there was some really interesting multicultural clothing being worn last week. Let's take a look.
I'm wearing a handmade dress with flowers.
What does it represent?
It represents for festivals and bailes.
A shirt with flowers and my botas and my cinto.
What does it represent?
This represents where I'm from.
I'm wearing boots, cinto, la tejana, and my chain.
What does it represent?
It represents dancing, pretty much. It's this is usually like a jaripeo fit, if you guys know what that is.
Like my outside, my culture, they call outside. Outside, yeah.
Pitch took a home win against Franklin Pierce on Friday, 3-1. Great job, ladies. Today, boys soccer is looking to get their first win home against Spanaway Lake. The game starts at 6. Varsity baseball is away against Bonnie Lake at 4, and girls fast pitch hopes to keep their winning streak alive at Lincoln. First pitch is at 4 o'clock.
Well, have you ever used tutoring, and do you think it was helpful?
Yes, I did a while in middle school, but it was pretty good. I still did good on the test, so that's what was worth it. Made it worth it, you know.
Yeah, that's good.
How about you?
No, I've never really been tutored before. I just prefer to learn on my own or in class.
That makes sense. Everyone's different.
Yeah. Did you know that there are tutoring opportunities 4 days a week after school? General tutoring is in the library Tuesdays and Thursdays. Science tutoring is Mondays and Wednesdays in room 808. French tutoring is available Tuesdays and Thursdays in room 310, and Indian education is available on Tuesdays and Thursdays in room 116.
For a little fun this Monday, we thought we'd do a round of Finish the Lyrics. Let's see how they did.
Okay. Get up and dance.
Hi, I'm here with
Hannah Hong.
Hello, Hannah. I'm gonna play you a song, and you have to finish the lyric. All right?
Gotcha. Time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. All 'cause you won't listen.
Brandon Hernandez is here with a song. We could be heroes.
Oh, you're playing it right now? The Mollies could build a castle. Some nights I wish it could fall off, but I still ain't good. I still see a choice. No, I'm playing. My name is Januel. I'm about to play this song. Take my horse to the Old Town Road. Ride and I rode the snow. Yeah. Horses in the back. Something is attached. I don't know what it is, but I hope I get a good grade. Here with
Michael Whitson.
Dylan.
My name is Shaniqua. All right, let's do this. I got the horses in the back. Something is attack. Come on. I'm getting a good grade. Yeah.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Shiannel.
And I'm Skylar. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Have a great day, T-Birds. That last one was not easy.